Freedom number 4, bad relationships. I'm not talking about human relationships. I'm talking about database relationships. And sometimes they're even worse. Sometimes they're even worse. You have all that data in the cloud, and you need to crunch it. And if you're using legacy systems, you know they're expensive. You have vendor lock-in. You have a 3-year, 5-year agreement. You have to pay for licenses up front. It's not what people want anymore. And so over the years, everyone have been looking for alternatives. And one of them was using MySQL or Postgres, which we love dearly, but it's hard to get the right level of performance. And so, listening to our customers, we built Amazon Aurora, which was announced some time ago. And it's really MySQL on steroids. It's got 5x performance, a 5x performance increase compared to MySQL. It's 10 times less expensive than legacy enterprise databases. It is fully compatible with MySQL. You can scale automatically from your storage from 10 gigabytes to 64 terabytes. Right? If you've tried this before, scaling storage for a database, it's a tricky subject. Here, Aurora will take care of you for a while. And it's the fastest growing product in the history of AWS. The adoption is really fantastic. Expedia is using it to manage travel data. They have over 20,000 writes per second. Not a problem. United Nations have migrated their websites to Aurora, and they're super happy with the performance. Alfresco, the content management company, manage over 1 billion documents with Aurora. And again, excellent performance, 10 times faster than MySQL. And that's just a few examples. So if you need high performance, SQL-based processing, and you're already using MySQL, I strongly encourage you to look at Aurora. But that's not all when it comes to data. Our customers came to us and say, please help us move our data to the cloud, our databases to the cloud. And please help us get out of those bad relationships. We've been using X or Y for years. We want to get out, but we need some help. And so AWS built the database migration service, which is exactly what it means. It's a simple service that will start in just a few clicks. We'll start to migrate your databases, your tables, etc., from a legacy vendor into one of our database services. And actually, some people use it just for replication. But for migration, it's a great tool. Just continuous replication, continuous migration of your data. Very little risk, very little potential for downtime. Once all the data has been migrated, you can switch your system to the cloud-based databases, and you should be fine. Another tool we built is the Schema conversion tool. I think it's super cool. Actually, it's a tool that you download on your Mac or your PC. It will connect to your database, analyze the schema, the stored procedures, the views, etc. And it will show you automatically how to migrate it to one of our cloud-based services. It will rewrite some of the code if needed automatically, to minimize your pain. And when some database objects cannot be translated from, let's say, Oracle to RDS, they will highlight it. The tool will highlight it and say, there's a slight problem there, and the tool will give you some advice. So it's a simple way to assess how easy it is to migrate your schema into RDS or Aurora, and doing a lot of the heavy lifting for you.